Hello, let us change these numbers which are in standard form into their ordinary form. Solution. For question A, we have 6.21 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 2. Now feel free to pause the video and then try this out yourself, then compare your answer with the solution gotten at the end of this video. So what you will do first is to have 6.21 multiply that. Now 6.21 multiplying that by 10 raised to the power 2, which will give us 100. Now, to express this in normal form, we would have the number 6 followed by 2 other digits. And as you can see, we already have 2 digits after this decimal point. So we have 21. So that would be 621. We only have 2 spaces to fill, and 2 and 1 have filled those spaces. Now to B, we have 5.031 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 3. This means we have 5.031 multiplied by, now 10 raised to the power of 3 would give us 1000. Don't forget, just write 1 and then the power will tell you the number of zeros you write after 1. And then to express this in normal form, we would have the digit 5 followed by 3 other digits. Those 3 digits would then be 0, 3, and 1, which follows this decimal point. So we have 5031. I hope you also got these answers. If so, then you have become a master at changing numbers from standard form to their ordinary form. Thank you.